Welcome to the End Content Co YouTube channel. On this channel, you'll find a variety of content revolving around technology. We believe in transparent reviews. We want to hold companies accountable for the claims they make. This video is not sponsored. Today we will be providing an overview of Corsair's iCUE software. Over the coming weeks, we are going to look at a variety of different RGB software from different manufacturers. This means software that is provided by the manufacturer of a product that has lighting effects for your computer. This overview will discuss the following categories. User interface. How easy is it to navigate the software? Is the layout intuitive? Does it offer customization options? Compatibility. Does it work with all major brands of RGB hardware? Consistency when using the computer. Remembering setting from shutdown and sleep. Features. What additional features does the software offer? For example, does it offer custom lighting effects, the ability to sync with other devices or software, or voice control? Support. Is there a strong support system in place for the software? Are there user guides or online communities that can help with troubleshooting or customization? Let's talk about the user interface. The software has a user-friendly interface that is easy to navigate, and it offers extensive lighting control with the ability to customize individual colors, effects, and brightness levels. The software is compatible with a wide range of Corsair hardware, and it offers advanced features such as the ability to create custom lighting effects and sync with other devices or software. However, the software can sometimes impact system performance, and there have been occasional reports of bugs or issues with certain features. Let's talk about compatibility. The software is compatible with a wide range of Corsair components but is not compatible with non-Corsair products. Some products that can be used with the iCUE software are headsets, mice, keyboards, coolers, fans, and RAM. We did not see it interfere with any other RGB software. We did notice it did use unnecessary resources within Windows 11. We also noticed that sometimes when waking the computer from sleep, the sleep lighting effect gets stuck. Let's talk about features. The software has a macro creation feature that allows users to program complex commands to a single button. This software also allows you to create different profiles for different purposes. For example, a profile for gaming and a profile for work/productivity. The software allows users to monitor system temperatures, set custom fan curves, and create RGB temperature alerts. Users can command all their compatible Corsair devices, have third-party motherboard support, have Elgato Stream Deck integration. Finally, it monitors the PC's performance. We suspect that the unnecessary resources used up is due to the monitoring of PC's performance. Based on the Corsair website, the company maintains the software through patch releases and provides notes regarding the changes. Often these patch fixes are provided to increase functionality. With all of these benefits of this software, there are some drawbacks. Having the ability to fully control RGB and have a fully customizable interface, the program must be running in the background to work properly. This means that it will use up some resources that lead to increased idle temperatures. This can hinder the performance of the PC if there are a lot of other programs running in the background. A potential solution is setting up the iCUE software in your preferred customization, then removing it from being a startup program or uninstalling the software. This could cause issues if the customization that was selected changes. Then you would have to reinstall the program. Removing it from the startup will save PC resources though. Let's talk about support. The iCUE software has a comprehensive user guide available on the Corsair website, which includes detailed instructions for using the software's various features and customization options. Additionally, Corsair maintains an active online community where users can share tips, tricks, and troubleshooting advice. In terms of customer support, Corsair offers a range of channels, including email, phone, and live chat support. The support team is generally responsive and helpful, with many users reporting positive experiences when seeking assistance with software-related issues. Overall, while there is always room for improvement, Corsair's iCUE software offers solid support options for users who want to customize their RGB lighting experience. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and share this channel with a friend to stay up to date for upcoming videos and giveaways. Thank you for watching this video. We have some exciting content on the horizon. Don't forget to let us know what you would like us to review in the future.